Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we are going to solve the expression 20% of 5 minus 5. I know it looks simple, but many people fail to solve this because they did not apply the correct approach and they did not know how to start this type of question. So first, according to PEMDAS rule, we have to use the exponent signs or the parenthesis here. So 20%, I can write it as 20 by 100 of, we can replace with multiplication 5 minus 5. So we have three things to do: division, multiplication and subtraction. So according to PEMDAS rule, we have to give priority to division first. So 20 divided by 100 gives 1 by 5 times 5 minus 5. So this gives us 5 by 5 minus 5, which is 1 minus 5, which is equals to -4. So this is the correct approach to solve this type of problem. So only then you can reach at your correct solution. So the correct and final answer of this problem is -4. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt related to any math question, you can comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video.